I also clean up the front of the car lights, the headlights. I put this special chemical on it so it can start wiping down all that nasty grunge. I'll let it sit there so it can do its thing. Then I'll wipe it off. No scrubbing or anything at all. Then I'll give that glossy look afterwards, and they will look brand new. Give me a call, 424-757-2349. As you can see, it's working. And if I have to spray it again to make sure that there's no more gunk on it, I'll do it twice, maybe three times. It really depends on how bad it is. But once it starts to clear out that there's no yellow gunk around it, then I can gloss it up for you. It's $20 for the set. 424-757-2349. Give me a call. I'm open 7 o'clock in the morning till 10 p.m. 7 days. And if you have multiple cars, like in a car lot or something, give me a call. I'm right here in Compton, Rancho Dominguez, open 7 in the morning till 10 p.m. So far, it's about a minute and a half, and it's halfway there.